Hello everybody, I'm Ulrich with UFixItAuto, and today I'm going to be showing you an easy fix to a very common issue known as hyperflashing. Now for those of you who don't know what hyperflashing is, what it is you put in brand new LED bulbs in your turn signals and then you get this. Now there are many advantages to getting LED lights, such as brighter lights, which is also safer and it also tends to look good on the car, as well as they actually take less power than your traditional light bulb as well. So there are two different methods to fixing this. The two different methods is to wire in a load resistor. To do that, you have to remove the tail light and then you have to wire the load resistor to the tail light. And then find a location where that will go, because they tend to get really hot and you don't want to put it in a place that'll burn or catch fire. So that is one method of doing it. My favorite method is if you have a compatible car. Not every car can do this, but if yours is equipped with a flasher relay, you can actually replace it with an LED compatible flasher relay. For those that have this type of Celica, this is the correct part number. It's the EP35. I know that this for sure works on between the 96 to 99. That's what the website said. If you happen to have a 94 or a 95, then it may be slightly different depending on how it was built or where it was made. According to the website, it should be relatively the same. You should be able to pick one up, and I'll leave this in the link down below for those that have my model of Celica. But for those that have different ones or different cars that are looking at this video, then you just have to do a little bit of research and see if you can find an LED compatible flasher, and it's a really easy fix. I'll show you just how to do it. And the flasher relay is actually located right underneath the driver's side. And the flasher relay that we're looking for is located right here. You just have to wiggle it out. And that was actually pretty easy. Normally these take a little bit of effort. It is just plugged in, so you should be able to wiggle it out. Do not try to force it out too hard. Just wiggle it side to side until it comes out. And this is what the relay looks like. And here we have the original Toyota Denso part. It looks slightly different than the new part, but it plugs in all the same. The way that I remember the way that it goes in is that this tab is facing up. So this one has a similar tab, and it just has to plug in like this. So that way there's two and then a bottom one, and then it plugs in just like that. All we got to do is replace this and then we should be good to go. There we go. So we just plug it in. That was easy, and now we just check out the turn signals and make sure it worked out. All right guys, moment of truth. Let's see how this works. There we go. Yep, that's a lot slower than it was before. And honestly, it sounds a lot quieter than what I remember it. Awesome. Yeah, very easy fix. I'll actually keep tabs on it and let you guys know how this lasts over time. But this is very easy. Of course, this is not for every car. Cars have changed over the times. The newer cars, there are cars that can't do this if you do upgrade to LEDs, but chances are those newer cars may have HIDs and LEDs already installed, so it's not that big of an issue. And for those of my friends that have Celicas just like mine, you can upgrade to LEDs with confidence, and it's very easy to install. Like I said, I'll link this down in the description below. It's a very quick video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.